Well, Keith, there were definitely lots of people around during that test run for the holiday weekend. Authorities say it helped them learn more about managing bigger crowds, and they also saw plenty of compliance and cooperation. On this cool, windy Monday, Kathleen O'Brien didn't have to contend with any crowds on Sea Isle City's promenade. And when there were waves of people here this weekend, O'Brien says she was encouraged by what she saw.
We made our decision whether or not to go on the beach based on what everyone else was doing, and we were pleasantly surprised. Everyone kept their distance.
We captured busy scenes like these in both Sea Isle and Ocean City as both communities held a dry run to prepare for the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. Nice weather luring lots of people to the coast.
For the most part, everybody was abiding by the social distancing. I think all of us are now used to this new normal.
At one point Saturday afternoon, Sea Isle City Police estimate some beach areas reached 30 to 40% of their capacity. Under current guidelines, that figure can't exceed 50%. The chief says officers, lifeguards, and beach tag checkers will all work to monitor crowds this weekend and take action if needed.
We have, 94 blocks of beach that, we would shut a beach or two off and encourage people to walk 1 or 2 blocks north or south of that location.
I really do think people are going to go up there, and if they see it's too crowded, they're going to say, okay, maybe we'll come back later, or we'll try another time, or move to another beach.
Do you want to see more people wearing masks?
The mask, I think it's a good idea.
Sea Isle's mayor tells me a message board at the city's main entrance will reflect that sentiment starting later this week.
We are going to suggest that they start wearing masks when they're in Sea Isle City. We're going to suggest it. We advise you to wear the mask in Sea Isle City and move forward. Another thing folks are going to see here this weekend, banner planes reminding beachgoers to follow the rules and practice social distancing. Live in Sea Isle City, I'm Ted Greenberg, NBC 10 News.
All right, Ted, thanks.
Despite the beaches and board reopening under stricter guidelines, not everyone is on board with hitting the shore for Memorial Day. Philadelphia Health Director Dr. Thomas Farley has this warning for PA residents.
We are not recommending people go to the beach this weekend. It is true that being outdoors is probably less risk than being close to people indoors, but if you go into crowds anywhere, there's risk. We understand the draw. It's very tempting. You may have gone to the beach every Memorial Day weekend for years, but this is not the time to do that. Let's wait until the case counts are lower for it to be safe.